Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today we are going to dip strawberries in chocolate. You'll need melting chocolate wafers and some strawberries. Let's get started. First, you're going to use several of the melting wafers. If you look at them, they look like little chocolate drops. And depending on how many strawberries or whatever fruit you have you want to dip, you will add the amount you need. And if you add too little or too much, you always can correct it later. Now we're going to take this, we're going to put it in the microwave, and we're going to set our microwave at to the frost setting, and put it on there for roughly about 30 seconds. Keep checking to see if it is in a melted state. The one thing about these melting wafers is that when they do melt, they stay shaped. So you would need to use a spoon to stir and just to see if everything is melted to what you want. So I'll go to the microwave and I will melt this and we'll be back. Okay, so I put my chocolate in the microwave. I have a little cheat. My microwave actually has a melt function, so I use that. But on the back of your chocolates, they give you directions on how to melt the chocolate. So anyway, here's my chocolate, and as you can see, it kept its shape, and all I did was take a spoon and swirl through it. Now I have a nice, smooth, even chocolate for dipping. Now it's up to you what you want to do with your strawberries. Strawberries, when you buy them from the store, they're not necessarily the prettiest, especially if you are not getting some strawberries that have been modified. I will not get into GMOs right now, but anyway, so you take your strawberry, you dip it in the chocolate, dip it as much as you want. Okay, once you dip, shake off any excess, excuse me, and put it on wax paper. I'm using parchment paper. Now that's just a small little dip. This is just a small dip here. If I want to do a deep dip, grab it from the tip, swirl it in as much as you want. You want to coat that strawberry, shake off the excess, and set it. You can arrange the stems any way you want once you're finished, or you could cut the stems off. So this is it. So if it's Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, someone's birthday, and you're not too keen on spending $20, $30 because they could be very expensive. Excuse me. They could be very expensive chocolate dipped fruits. This way you can use fruit that you've bought from the store yourself. You can choose the chocolate you want to use. They have white chocolate. They have milk chocolate. I'm partial to dark chocolate. And then you just go ahead and dip away. You can actually do this for yourself. It gets a little messy. As you can see, I didn't dip that one all the way through. It gets a little messy. But in the end, you let your chocolate sit for roughly 5-10 minutes. And as you can see, the ones that we dipped earlier, the chocolate has already hardened. If you want to add colorful sprinkles, anything else that you want to embed in the chocolate itself while it's still sort of wet, that's the time to do it. So anyway, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any comments, suggestions, please leave a comment down below. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Until next time.